My name is Asiwaju, Dr. Kayode Onafowokan, OON, the Asiwaju of Remo Kingdom. I'm very happy to be able to say one or two words and one or two messages to all of you listening to me this morning. Let me first and foremost express my profound gratitude to His Royal Majesty, the Akaribu and Paramount Ruler of Remo Kingdom, Oba Dr. Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, CFR, who had made it possible for us since his inception on the throne to unite deliberately, and it was intentional. Intentional in the sense that at the time he was coming on board, his first mission and first agenda, I would rather say, is to unite Remo and to also create a Remo Day, and which he has fulfilled last year. And we are going to have the second edition, which is coming up on 27th or between 21 and 27th of December this year. A lot of us, all of the Remo citizens are looking forward to it. We must also compliment what Akaribu has done in the fact that he has not only united us, he has actually went ahead to ensure that every division in Remo and every town in Remo, the whole 43, 46 towns, are actually being part and parcel of Remo agenda. And that is very beautiful in the sense that in the past, every individual towns were doing on their own. But because of the intentional method of Akaribu, current Akaribu, he has exhibited in no small measure that unity is important. Without unity, there can be no progress. And because of that, we are all very, very happy with him. We are very, very delighted. We are excited that the second edition is definitely going to be better than the first edition. In the first edition that one can see had happened in the last year, if there's anything to go by, we definitely know that the 2025 edition will be much, much better. So let me also use this opportunity also to thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of our state, Ogun State, and for the fact that since this inception, as a Remo citizen, and since his governorship agenda, when it started now about 6 years ago, we have enjoyed relative peace in Remo. Coming back to our culture, the celebration of 2025, which is being organized through His Royal Majesty, Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, and through the Remo GDF, which is Remo Growth and Development people, they are going to find it very, very easy this time around because people are very, very excited, and they are ready to do whatever is possible to ensure that this is a better cultural celebration. Because it's not only a celebration, it's like being able to look at it that, okay, what can I do? What can I do? What should be my contribution? And that's exactly that's the challenge we all have, and that's the challenge posed by this very particular celebration. So it's no longer just a matter of coming to dance and dance away the time. No, this is a culture that we want to celebrate our heritage. We want to celebrate our what we have been able to do to ensure that we, as a Remo citizen, play a role in the developmental efforts of the KBC as well as the government of our state. We do also believe that we're also going to demonstrate what input that we will put in the development of our state, which Remo happens to be one of the 4 divisions. But I emphasize that because it's 4 divisions that we all know. I'm not very particular. I'm not particular about senatorial district because the Obuse was based on 4 divisional centers, and which is Remo happens to be one of the 4. And we're looking forward to what the government can still do to be able to take us to that very particular promised land that we are looking forward to, and we shall be there. So please let us all participate. Let's come around, whether you're in UK, you're anywhere. Now it's very easy to come. And then we're also going to have an airport that will be functional. And so we have a lot to do. And we have a lot to rejoice about. We also have a lot to celebrate about. Thank you very much. SOE.